Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I think I'm just gonna do a get ready with me because it has been 3 weeks, I don't know how, since I posted a new video. I filmed some stuff. Man, I don't know why my chin's been like so itchy, like something must be irritating me. Probably my cat that's like chilling back there, if you can see him. He likes to sleep on my face and I just woke up, but I filmed some videos, like a favorites for November, and I ended up not putting that up. What else did I film? I filmed like another empties, and I don't know, I just decided not to put it up. I thought we'd do another haul, but again, I don't know. So, didn't really like those videos, but I know I need to like obviously do something. So I'm just gonna do a get ready with me today and kind of talk to you guys like what's been going on. Yeah, so right now, I'm just putting on some foundation. I'm not really going to talk about the products I'm using. I can put those in the description box. I'll have everything that I'm using on my face link down below. So if you are interested or you like something I'm using, you can go and shop for it there. But it's been like a really tiring, long couple of weeks. Not really like in a bad way. It's good. It's just exhausting trying to keep up with everything, and Chris and me are on different schedules, which is like why I think it's been harder. So we like tried out a photographer, and then we're just gonna keep doing it ourselves. And then I've been also helping with photos at a boutique here in town, so she's been helping me out too and taking my photos. It's been a lot of fun, actually. Why is my neck like so right under here? I don't know what is happening, but we're just gonna cover that up. But it's just been exhausting. Chris is Monday through Friday now, and actually I'm about to have my last day at my current job at the bridal shop. I might still be back every once in a while if they need me, but like pretty much like that's it. Which Chris and I are actually gonna be moving to the Indy area, so it's exciting. Also though, we're kind of upset because it's not like on our own timeline, it's up to his work, but he thinks he's going to be applying to, or he did actually last night, he applied to get into school to be an electrician, because one of his friends does it, and he likes how it's consistent, like it's Monday through Friday, but like it's always the same hours, because he likes his job, but like sometimes it sucks because he might only work 3 hours one day, and the next day he works like 18 hours. And they send him to like Illinois and things like that, and it's hard, it's tiring. I don't blame him for not like loving that part of it. So I told him, I'm like, you just need to do whatever makes you happy, like that's what I'm trying to do. So my stuff's taken off, which is really awesome. And I also can't believe it's Christmas. I feel like I'm telling you guys everything, and I'm only on foundation, so I need to like slow down and shut up and get some more makeup on my face. I also feel like I'm getting a cold, so there's that. Probably from taking photos out in like the bitter cold the other day. Today though it's like 50, so I'm kind of hoping, partially doing my makeup because I didn't want to because I'm off today. I've had to do my makeup a lot in the last couple weeks, but I'm hoping Chris can get off so we can get some photos, because I have some indoor photos I have to do. I have one more week left of my sponsored stuff with Altered State, which has been really exciting. If you guys follow me on Instagram, it's been really cool getting to work with different brands and stuff. I don't think people realize I really don't take like any, and I remember in the beginning Chris is like, why? Because you get offered like money and stuff, and like you just have to turn it down. I watch Raw Beauty Christy and Smokey Glow's videos, and it's true. It's like it's harder to grow when you have morals, which I do. And like I was having a talk with the boutique owner that I work with, and I told her, I'm like, it's just rough because you get like all these offers, and I have friends that are bloggers, and they take like all of these deals, and I don't understand, because it doesn't like line up with what they want to do, and I know that, and it's just, I don't know. I just don't get it. Like I have had like HelloFresh and some other like food delivery services. And I'm like, I really don't post about food. I mean, I eat a lot of food, but like that's not really my thing. And I don't cook a lot right now. Like I do every once in a while, but like I don't have time for that. So I don't accept it, even though like you're turning down a bunch of money that you could really use to pay off your debt. But I don't know. It's been really nice because I've been working with a lot of brands that I've had on like my dream list forever. Like Shop the Mint Gillette Boutique. They've been a dream to work with. I love how they have great customer service. And like a team that always replies if you have questions or like just confused about something, and they're always so sweet. And then there's like, I love working with Boutique Elise, and it's just been really fun. I'm like determined to get more powder out of this. Lord mercy, I have another because I got one at the thing. Oh, what else has happened? It's been 3 weeks. Okay. I gotta go where I was like at. Gotta do this Oak and Ivy Sephora event and Fisher's, which was a lot of fun. Gotta do it with some of my favorite bloggers and a couple others I haven't met before, which that's always fun. And I gotta meet a girl that I've been friends with on Instagram from another state. She gotta come. It's a lot of fun. When you find the right crowd, it's fun. Just stay in my own lane, do my own thing. But yeah, so like I said, we're probably gonna be moving to Indy like soon. They want him up there in February. So that was one of the reasons I decided to leave the bridal shop, because it puts me and Chris on a different schedule. And like I said, some days he's off early, which is great because we can go figure things out. But when he's not, I can't really do it on my own. I want him to be like involved, obviously, because it's our home. Even if he does the electrician stuff, we have to move up there, or at least closer to Indy, so either way. But he was like, maybe if I do electrician, it could be on my own timeline. We don't really know any of that yet. He just kind of started looking into it. And wow, I need to hit the gym because my double chin right now. It's bad. I really need to work out again. I woke up today though with like throbbing pain in my ankle that I broke like literally at the beginning of the decade. I texted Chris, I was like, holy crap, I can't stand on my ankle. And he's like, what the heck did you do? And I'm like, nothing in like this decade, like legit, like I don't know, it just randomly started hurting. And the weather is nice out. Like I usually get pain in like my knee or my ankle, just things that hurt if it's like really crappy out, rainy, snowy, like things like that, like pressure change. But it's like nice for one day. Also, something else that's happened that kind of cool but also like creepy. I received PR from like a makeup brand I never have before. Cool, and then it was like, you know, like I've tried a couple other products before and I actually really like them and I mentioned them in videos, but like how did they get my address? Because I don't use like a PO box or anything because I don't have money or time for that. I mean, it's sweet, it's thoughtful, and a lot of those products are going to be going in my 10K giveaway on Instagram for you guys because I cannot use that many lipsticks. I'll probably keep like 3 or 4 for me that I know I'll wear because I did already put 2 of them on my lips. And then I'll pick out like another shade and then give you guys the rest, whoever wins that. I also need to do like a poll of like what store, boutique you guys would want like a gift card to. I had a couple people suggest either Mint Julep because I like working with them, or Boutique Elise. I think those would both be great options. And then I want to put in some more makeup products. It's like things I love using and just things like that in general. Like I really wanted to put in this purple palette I was using. Hang on, my cat is trying to get out. Right in. I'll just leave the door cracked because he can't make up his mind. But I was wanting to put in like these purple and green palettes I really love because you guys know I love wearing purple and green, but I'm also like, what if whoever wins like hates wearing purple and green eyeshadow? But I really want the lilac palette from ColourPop. It came out like a while ago, but I haven't Bought a lot of new makeup. The newest thing I have is, what is the newest thing I have? Oh, the Jaclyn Hill. It's like the big luminous light powder, whatever she called it. I have that because my sister got me that. And then I actually just ordered the big face palette. I didn't order it right away because I was a little worried about reviews. And it sold out really quick, but I saw she was restocking this week, so, and it was still in stock when I looked, so I was like, okay, I'm just gonna order it. I've seen some good reviews on it, and I know people are like, oh, get like the loose, like the little loose highlighters, but I don't like a crazy intense highlight. Like sometimes, yes, but I have enough for that. Like my day-to-day is like a light glow with like, just like a normal highlight. So that's why I thought the palette and that loose powder would be good. Because Jaclyn likes to always talk about those Lancome powders, and I actually bought that. I don't know if I got like a different shade than she mentioned, but I don't think so. Because I remember like I found a video where she talked about the shade, and like the one I have is like legit a highlighter. Like it's glittery. Like I don't know how you would put that all over your face. Me personally, not my vibe. Her powder is really like a nice, like you can use everywhere type of powder. I've been enjoying it so far. I've only used it a couple days now, but so once the other one comes in, I will let you guys know how that is too. But so far, it's pretty good. Sorry, I took a phone call with my husband because he's at work this morning. Hopefully he'll be off so we can get some photos done. So I'm actually going to be using this Jaclyn powder. I have to say though, the packaging is really nice. It's very similar to the Lancome powder that she was always raving about. And this is that Lancome powder I'm talking about. It's the Absolute powder. There's no T. Radiant smoothing powder, which like I said, this one is like super highlighty, which I'll probably use this as my highlight today, like over top this, so you guys can kind of see what I'm talking about. Yeah, I have this in the shade that she always mentioned. It was like the Absolute Pesh. I love how that has a T, and then on the packaging it doesn't. So I did get, or my sister did get me the set, so it came with the brush. Actually, I think the brush is like super cute. Maybe it's just me because I love like winter wonderland, snowflakes, like I love all that kind of stuff. So I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I really like it. It feels barely lighter than my Wayne Goss brushes. These are both like plastic, and these are really expensive, and they're really nice. I just care about the hairs on them and that they are nice quality and perform well. Wow, I can't talk today. So people are giving her so much crap, and I'm like, it kind of honestly feels similar to my Wayne Goss, but it's just me. So I'm just gonna place this. First, put it on my cheek. You can see like it definitely has like a luminosity, which is really pretty, but it's not like crazy, which is nice. It's not like the powder I'm about to show you. So I've been placing this like on the high points on my cheek and then like under my eye, just to kind of like make it a little bit brighter. And then down the center of my nose, chin, and then a little bit on my forehead. I just like how it makes me look. I almost feel like, oh, it does look like slightly blurred. Maybe it's just me. It's kind of hard to tell, but I feel like my freckles like on my skin that are showing through like look more blurred, if that makes sense. Not necessarily trying to go for that, but like I think it's pretty. And I have mine, by the way, in the shade Do Me. This is the shade that I wanted. So thank you, Lens, if you watch this. I like using it in like the center of my face. I just feel like it looks smoother. I don't know. Maybe I'm crazy. And then I will show you guys now the Lancome powder that she used to always talk about. And this is way more like highlighty. So I am really glad that she like toned down this powder, because this to me is a highlight. You can like see the glitter in this. And it's like a really pretty though, like light highlight. So like you can see like it kind of has some luminosity, and then I'll put this on it and it just kind of makes it highlighty. I think these are really pretty together. I can't wait to get her palette to pair with this product because I do really like it. It's not intense. Like I said, I like to like glow everywhere, but not like crazy intense. So I think this is like perfect. I do want to highlight my brow bone and inner corner because I've been doing that again lately. I don't know why. Nothing crazy intense, but it's just a little something something. And then since I did like a purple makeup look, I definitely want to keep it with like a Barbie pink lipstick, and I'm going to throw it back to one of my old favorite lipsticks in the shade Snob. This one's my old one. I have my brand new one in my purse. I love just like a Barbie glam type of moment. Alright, so this is it for my makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of kept it true to me while using some random products I haven't used in a while, because if you can't tell, I'm out of a lot of my favorites. These lashes, I don't know how I feel about them. They are the House of Lashes in Boudoir Light. I ordered them like forever ago, and they're like really like soft, wispy, which is really nice, but I've been obsessed with the Allure Marquee. I ordered 2 or 3, like 3 packs on, was it Black Friday? Cyber Monday, something like that. And they had them on sale because they had a great sale on those. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little get ready with me. I know I've been MIA for a long time here on YouTube. I mean, a long time to me, 3 weeks feels like forever. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hopefully I can get back into the swing of things and start posting like once a week again. And be sure and follow me on all of my socials, especially Instagram. It's where I'm most active, and hopefully sometime soon, crossing my fingers for this month, I will hit 10K, and I'm going to be doing a 10K giveaway on there. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!